I think we all need to start asking ourselves, how is it that there's so many other factors that affect our financial picture and our financial outcome, yet we're not a part of the conversation, nor do we understand what's being said? That is the serious issue. So educate yourself. All right, first thing first, this is not financial advice. This is just my personal experience, me sharing personal thoughts for entertainment purposes only. You need to know about how to invest in the stock market. And by me saying this, I'm not telling you to run and throw any money or spend a dime into it. I'm just telling you to educate yourself so that after learning financial positioning, financial literacy, and improving your financial footprint, you're able to already have the education necessary in your mind in order to implicate the moves that you need to make in order to grow your financial footprint. But at the end of the day, if you don't understand money, you don't understand our economy, you don't understand what affects it, you don't understand why everyone's so worried about what the Fed is doing right now and how that affects the stock market, how that affects your long-term investments, whether you're doing a 401k or whatever, you work a traditional job, you're an entrepreneur. At the end of the day, you need to understand these things. There is an abundance in the world, regardless to how you see it or what you think and whatever mindset you choose to adapt. At the end of the day, you can earn a nice financial living, but you have to have financial literacy because you have to understand how money works in order to attract it, build it, and use it in the most skillful, strategic way possible. So that way there's a nice, comfortable pot to come home to or to retire on at the end of the day. But that's why you need to get yourself educated in the stock market, how to invest money. And investing money isn't just the stock market. There's other ways that you can invest your dollar into multiple different assets, real estates, and things like that, but you need to be educated in whatever those investments are. It would be a terrible disservice to yourself and your financial portfolio to come across a nice lump sum of money or to like hit like a upward trend and to not know what to do with that in a calculated manner ahead of time, which is why I'm telling you now, you need to get on to these YouTube channels that are teaching you. The lack of information, the lack of financial knowledge, the lack of financial literacy kept me, myself, from taking advantage of that. And that's why I'm like, at the point I'll say, you know what? The next time this happens, I wanna be in the know. In the movement, you gotta have the tools necessary. So at this point, it's like, all right, hustle up. While I'm learning, I'm figuring out hustles and grinds and ways to build up my cash pot because you need money. You gotta have money in order to invest. I don't care what it is that you're investing into, whether it's business, real estate, the stock market, other assets, other ventures, you know what I mean? There's so many different things that you can put your money into to help grow it. The whole question is that I want you to ask yourself is, where are you putting your money to help grow your money? And if you can't answer that like in a solid way, then you need to do exactly what I'm telling you to do and educate yourself in financial literacy. Again, we either doing two things, hustling or creating. And right now I'm hustling to get this financial knowledge so that way when I create the financial funds that I need in order to make these investments, I'll be well educated on how to do so. My name is CJ. Peace.